Hey ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get the perfect braid out using the Creme of Nature coconut milk leave-in and curl cream. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, which I sectioned off into my infamous 4 sections. To wash my hair, I used the shampoo and conditioner from this line, but I decided not to include that in this video since I already have a full wash day routine. First, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in. I'm breaking each section into 2 sections in order to smooth the leave-in into my hair. This leave-in has no sulfate, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. Once I apply the leave-in, I like to take this tangle teaser, it was like 99 cents at my local beauty supply store, and use it to distribute the leave-in and coat each strand. I follow these steps until all of the sections are covered with leave-in. I've used this leave-in and hair cream to do a wash and go, however I didn't like how it made my hair feel. Here's a close-up to show a more clear clip of my process. After I apply the leave-in, I start my styling process. To braid my hair today, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream. This cream, like the leave-in, is sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, and petroleum-free as well. This cream helps to achieve defined, soft, and shiny curls and reduce frizz. To braid my hair, I apply the cream and then smooth it in with my fingers and then go in with the tangle teaser. I then split my hair into 3 sections and begin to loop the strands together. I continue this process until I finish my entire head. A little side note, when I reach the end of my hair, I like to apply a little bit more of the curl cream and then twirl the ends of my hair to enhance my curls. So I just quickly continue the process until I finish braiding all over my head. And now I'm finally onto my last big section. I'm just going to continue splitting the section up and plaiting my hair until I finish this whole side. And now that I'm done, I'm just showing you a close-up of what my hair looks like wet. I usually let my hair air dry overnight, and then the next morning I do a takedown process. The takedown process is fairly simple. I usually take an oil, today I'm using the tea tree oil, and place it at the tip of my fingers. I then start to unravel my hair from the opposite direction. Be very gentle with your hair during the process in order to minimize frizz. I only separate my hair where it naturally wants to be separated. Once I'm done unraveling my hair, I like to separate each curls further in order to give myself more volume. Like I stated before, make sure that you only unravel the sections that want to naturally separate. So as you can see, I'm just taking my fingers and separating where each part wants to naturally separate in order to minimize any frizz throughout my head. And that is literally all I do to get the perfect defined, fluffy, soft braid out. I usually like to pick at my root for added volume, so today I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb. I recommend an afro pick, but I had a wide tooth comb on hand, so I just grabbed that and I started to pick. Sometimes I like to pick at the ends of my hair too because it gives my hair a little fuller vibe. As you can see, I'm growing out my hair. It's at a very awkward length, but that's okay. Anyways, this style usually lasts about 3 to 4 days, and then I either rebraid my hair, do a twist out, or even wash my hair depending on how clean/dirty it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Peace and love always. Until next time, guys. Bye!